Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you how to top off your coolant on your Dodge Challenger when it's getting low. So first of all, you're going to need some Go5 coolant, and you're going to have to make sure that your coolant has the HOT chemistry to make sure it doesn't do a gunk buildup in your system. So you always want to make sure your car's cool, because if it's hot, this is going to blow out, steaming hot. Take your cap off, you grab a funnel, you grab your coolant, then mine's pretty low right now, it's below the minimum, so I'll be bringing up a little bit under the max. Then once my car's ready for summer, then I'll see what's missing. You don't want to put too much. So I'm just at the minimum right now. I'm just under the max. I'm gonna leave it at that. Take your funnel out. And grab your cap. So you're gonna click once and then you click it twice. Then you successfully topped off your coolant. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. Talk to you guys next time.